Welcome to Easy English. In this video, we will practice English through everyday routines. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay tuned until the end for our speaking activity. Let's begin. I always get up early in the morning. I open my eyes. I smile and stretch my arms. I get up from the bed, I make the bed, I look around the room and it seems tidy. I open the window and let the fresh air in. It feels so good to be able to breathe fresh air in the morning. I take a deep breath and I feel happy. I look at the clock and it's 7 o'clock. I go to the bathroom and I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth and I look in the mirror. I brush my hair and then I take a warm shower. After my shower, I dry my hair and I get dressed. I put on a clean shirt and I wear comfortable pants. Now I'm all set to start my day. I go to the kitchen and I make my breakfast. I can make eggs, or I can have some bread with cheese. What's for breakfast, boys and girls? I always have fruits for dessert. I drink some water and sometimes I have tea or coffee. I sit and enjoy my morning coffee in silence. I look outside the window and it's such a lovely day. I don't want to waste any time on my cell phone. Yes, I love those quiet mornings after my breakfast. I wash the dishes. My kitchen looks so good. Now it's time to study English. I open my notebook and my English book. I learned 5 new words and I read some simple sentences. I read them out loud and I repeat after the book. I speak slowly and I try to pronounce the words correctly. I don't be afraid of making mistakes. I always correct them and every day I make progress. I believe in myself. After learning English, it's time to go out. The sun shines and the birds sing so nicely. I take a walk in the park and I look around. I see many trees and beautiful flowers. Some people are running and some are walking their dogs. Everybody seems so busy. The fresh air makes me feel good. I love to walk outside and enjoy the beautiful nature. After walking, I go home and I have some more water. I look through my messages and I clean my room. I put my things in order and I look around the room. A tidy room inspires me. I feel so good. It's time for lunch and I make a simple meal. I eat rice with chicken and vegetables. They say that healthy food gives you energy. I drink some more water and then I decide to have a short break. I sit on the couch for a while, or maybe I listen to some music. Yes, listening to music is good for soul. Sometimes I read a book, and that's one of my favorite activities. Books always teach you something. In the afternoon, I work on my goals. I study English, and I listen to some simple conversations I repeat after the speaker, and I learn new expressions. I write them down, and I practice my writing skills. I speak out loud, and my confidence grows day by day. I really enjoy learning English. In the meantime, I can have a break and see my friends. We spend time together and we chat for hours. We always give each other support, and that's priceless. Good friends make your life better. Sometimes we have a cup of tea together and we go out for a walk. We enjoy every second together. In the evening, I do some sports. I do a little warm-up and I do some stretches. Exercise gives you energy. I feel so good after working out. I take a hot shower and I put on some comfortable clothes. Now it's time for dinner and I sit with my family. We talk about our day and we laugh together. I love to spend time with my family. I give them a hug and a big smile. After dinner, we all help each other to clear the table. It's always easier when everyone works together. At night, I have some spare time and I watch a movie. Sometimes I read an English book or an interesting article. I look for new vocabulary and I practice my speaking skills. I speak slowly and clearly, and every day I feel more confident. I never give up and I study English regularly. Yes, learning English can be challenging, but at the same time it's very fun. I believe in myself and little by little I make progress. Patience is the key to success. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I choose my clothes. I clean my desk, fill my water bottle, and set my alarm. I feel so good to have a tidy room and to know that everything is in order. Once again, I brush my teeth and wash my face, and then I turn off the lights. I lay down in bed and I close my eyes. I think about today and I am so grateful to be alive. You see, today was a good day and tomorrow will be an amazing day too. I believe in myself. And I feel happy for being able to study English. I'm always trying to speak a little bit better, and every day I make progress. I'm becoming more confident and outgoing. See you in the next lesson, my friends. Stay safe and keep learning English. Good night.